Sitting eyes wide open behind these four walls, so when you call, such a cruel existence, no, there's no point hoping at all. Baby, don't feel crazy. Up all night and every day. Give me something, oh, but you say nothing. What is happening to me? I don't wanna live forever, 'cause I know I'll be living in vain, and I don't wanna live. So trans isomers have a higher melting point than cis isomers, while cis isomers have a higher boiling point than trans isomers.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
My dad came over and thought that these were spiders. I'm dead. Oh, thank you, Abo. He just got me a drink. Also, he just cut the straw off because I'm saliva conscious. And he drank some of it, so he knew that I was saliva conscious. So he cut the straw off. And he served it to me in this bowl. That is so weird, honestly. It's okay. Bless him. Hi guys, so I have just finished a chemistry paper. It didn't go as well as I expected. Then again, some of the answers really don't make sense, so I have to meet my teacher about that. It's like 3 a.m. in the morning right now. I'm feeling so bad. I probably look really bad, but I want to go on. Even though I feel really tired, I still want to go on because I just feel guilty for sleeping for 4 hours during the day, so I want to make up for it by staying up at night. So I'm planning to do probably a few more chemistry questions just for practice, and then I'm gonna call it a day. I mean, call it a night or morning, whatever. Anyways, yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I don't wanna do this. It's okay. Let's be positive. Let's think about all the A's that we can get. I don't think that I can take it anymore. I'm gonna go to sleep. It's 4 a.m. right now, and I won't be able to focus anyways, so I'm just gonna go to sleep. I hope that you guys like this video. It was a bit disappointing because I wasn't able to do everything that I set out to do, but I've basically finished. Look at my diary. I've basically finished math questions that I wanted to do. I've done chem. I have not done biology. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do maybe subscribe. You know, I do make new videos, and yeah, I hope that you guys are smashing your to-do lists. I hope that you guys are doing the best that you can in your studies, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.